Here I have VIVAX Point X503, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly, you have to open contacts, then you have to select contact which you want to add a photo, then tap on the pencil icon to edit it, then tap on the camera icon to add a photo, then you have an option to take a photo or to select photo from gallery. Let's select photo, then you have to adjust it, just like this, and then tap done, and an image will be added. Tap save, and as you can see now our contact have a photo. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.